Space. Vast and mysterious. It stretches out infinitely, a canvas of endless possibilities and unknown wonders. The final frontier where dreams and reality blur into one. I, John, had left Earth behind, seeking a new life. The blue planet, once my home, now a distant memory. I was driven by a desire to explore, to find something beyond the ordinary confines of our world. Now my spaceship hurtled towards a distant star system, a place called Cygnus X1. It was a journey filled with both excitement and trepidation as I ventured into the unknown. It held the promise of adventure, of something new, a fresh start. The allure of discovering uncharted territories and the potential for new beginnings was irresistible. The journey was long, filled with the hum of engines and the silence of the void. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months as the vastness of space enveloped me. But I never felt alone. The stars outside my window were my constant companions, their light a reminder of the endless possibilities that lay ahead. I had a dream, a hope, of finding something extraordinary, a place where I could start anew, where the boundaries of human experience could be expanded. And Cygnus X1 was where I would find it. This star system, with its unique characteristics and potential, was my destination. As I entered the system, a planet emerged from the darkness. It was like a beacon calling out to me, promising new horizons and untold stories. A swirl of blues and greens, it was breathtaking. The vibrant colours and the sheer beauty of the planet took my breath away. This was Kepler 186f, my new home, a place where I could build a future, where the possibilities were as endless as the stars themselves. Landing on its surface, I felt a thrill. The ground beneath my feet was solid, yet it felt like stepping into a dream. This planet, teeming with alien life, was ready to be explored. Each step I took was a step into the unknown, filled with the promise of discovery. I took a deep breath, the alien air crisp and clean. It was a new sensation, a reminder that I was truly in a different world. My heart pounded with anticipation. The thrill of exploration, the joy of discovery, it all surged through me. What wonders awaited me on this strange, beautiful world? The possibilities were endless, and I was ready to uncover them all. This was just the beginning of my adventure, a new chapter in the story of humanity, written amongst the stars. My first encounter was with Luna. It was a moment that would forever change my perception of the universe. She found me near my crashed ship, a lone figure amidst the wreckage and chaos. Luna was unlike any being I had ever seen. Her presence was both otherworldly and comforting. Her skin shimmered like moonlight, and her eyes were deep pools of silver. They seemed to hold the secrets of the cosmos. "Welcome to Kepler 186f, she said, her voice like wind chimes. "I am Luna." Her words were both a greeting and an invitation to a new world. Luna was an engineer, her mind sharp and inventive. She had a natural talent for understanding complex systems. She helped me repair my ship, her slender hands moving with incredible speed and precision. Each movement was a testament to her skill. I was captivated by her intellect and her gentle nature. She had a way of making the impossible seem achievable. As we worked, I learned about her people, the Lunarians. They were a fascinating race with a rich history and culture. They were a race that valued knowledge and innovation, their technology seamlessly blending with the natural world. It was a harmony I had never seen before. Luna, with her quiet intelligence and her passion for discovery, embodied the spirit of her people. She was a beacon of hope and ingenuity in a vast universe. Next, I met Aurora. She was a whirlwind of energy and passion, a stark contrast to Luna's quiet grace. Aurora was from the planet's volcanic region, her people known as the Solarians. Her skin glowed with an internal fire, her hair a cascade of fiery red. Her eyes, like molten gold, blazed with intensity. "Well, well," she said, her voice husky and full of laughter, "look what the stars dragged in." Aurora was a warrior, skilled in combat and strategy. She challenged me constantly, pushing me to my limits. But beneath her fierce exterior, I saw a deep well of loyalty and a passionate heart. In the tranquil forests of the north I met Celeste. She was an Avani, her people living in harmony with nature. Celeste exuded peace and wisdom. Her skin was the colour of jade, her eyes like pools of emerald green. She moved with a grace that was almost otherworldly, her voice as soothing as the rustling leaves. "Peace be with you, traveller," she greeted me, her gaze calm and knowing. Celeste was a healer, her touch able to mend both body and soul. She taught me about the interconnectedness of all things, about the delicate balance of life on Kepler 186f. I found myself drawn to her serenity, her ability to find peace in the midst of chaos. My final encounter was with Terra. She was a sylph, her people dwelling in the planet's floating islands. Terra was the embodiment of joy and mischief. Her laughter, like the tinkling of bells, filled the air as she fluttered around me, her iridescent wings scattering light. "You're fun," she exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with amusement. "Let's go on an adventure." Terra, with her boundless energy and her infectious zest for life, was a constant source of delight. She showed me the wonders of her world, the beauty that hid in every corner. I learned to embrace spontaneity, to find joy in the unexpected. Section 6. A day in the life balancing love and chaos. Life on Kepler. 186f was never dull. The planet, with its bustling alien marketplaces and vibrant extraterrestrial communities, was a constant source of wonder and excitement. Every day brought new experiences and challenges, making it a place where monotony was a foreign concept. I divided my time between the women I had grown to love, each one unique and special in her own way. These relationships were the cornerstone of my existence on this alien world, providing me with a sense of belonging and purpose. My mornings often began with Luna, sharing a cup of steaming alien tea as we discussed her latest engineering project. Her passion for technology was infectious, and our conversations often sparked new ideas and innovations. Then I might spar with Aurora, her fiery spirit igniting my own. Our sparring sessions were not just physical exercises, but also a way to connect on a deeper level, understanding each other's strengths and vulnerabilities. Afternoons were spent with Celeste, learning the ancient healing arts or meditating in the tranquil forests. These moments of serenity and learning were a stark contrast to the chaos of the marketplace, offering a peaceful respite, and as the sun began to set, Terra would whisk me away on some new adventure, her laughter echoing through the alien sky. These adventures were filled with excitement and discovery, making every sunset a cherished memory. It wasn't always easy. Our cultures clashed, misunderstandings arose. The differences in our backgrounds and traditions sometimes led to conflicts, but these challenges also provided opportunities for growth and understanding. But through it all, we learned from each other, our love growing stronger with each passing day. Each challenge we faced together only strengthened our bond, making us more resilient and united in our journey through this extraordinary world. Section 7. Facing the unknown, a space anomaly appears. One day our peaceful existence was shattered. A strange anomaly appeared in the sky, a swirling vortex of energy that pulsed with an ominous light. Fear gripped the planet. The anomaly disrupted communications, causing widespread panic. It was Luna who first identified the threat. "It's a dimensional rift," she announced, her voice grave. "It's unstable, and it's growing." The news sent a chill down my spine. We had to do something, but what? The fate of Kepler 186f, our home, hung in the balance. Section 8. United we stand, overcoming the threat. We came together, the five of us, our differences forgotten in the face of this common enemy. Luna, with her brilliant mind, devised a plan to neutralize the rift using a device that could harness the planet's energy. Aurora, fearless and strategic, rallied her people, preparing them for any eventuality. Celeste, with her deep connection to the planet, worked to stabilize the rift's energy, buying us precious time. And Terra, ever resourceful, used her knowledge of the planet's hidden pathways to gather the materials we needed. It was a desperate race against time, a battle to save our home. Section 9. A family forged in the cosmos. After weeks of tireless effort, the device was ready. We activated it, the air crackling with energy as a beam of light shot up towards the rift. Slowly, gradually, the swirling vortex began to shrink. Our plan had worked. We had saved Kepler 186f. As the rift closed, a wave of relief washed over us. We had faced the unknown together, and we had triumphed. In that moment of victory, I looked at the four extraordinary women standing beside me. We were more than just lovers. We were a family forged in the heart of the cosmos, bound by love, loyalty, and a shared destiny. Our adventure had just begun.